Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to sell SPX6900 coin on Trust Wallet. So your first step would be to simply open up the Trust Wallet Web3 wallet. Once you've opened this wallet, make sure you have some Ethereum, no matter how small, to cover your gas fees for this transaction. Now, with your Ethereum available, or if you do not have Ethereum, you could simply make use of the buy option or the receive option to receive your Ethereum tokens onto your wallet. Now, once you've gotten yourself some Ethereum to cover your gas fees, make sure the SPX is also available and on the Ethereum network. Head to the Discover page at the bottom right corner of the screen, where it says search or enter the app URL. Simply search for Uniswap. That's app.uniswap.org is what you're going to be typing in and searching, and this is going to show up. So all you need to do is click on Connect, click on Trust Wallet, and your Trust Wallet will be connected. So where it says sell Ethereum, buy a particular token, switch their places so you're selling a particular token, which in this case is the SPX. That's the SPX6900. Make sure you're selecting the first token at the top, which is the Ethereum token. So click on the SPX6900, enter an amount you wish to convert into Ethereum or USDT or any cryptocurrency of your choice. As far as it's supported by Uniswap, click on swap, cover the gas fee, and you're done. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.